Hey there, it's Darren Gladstone from HP's TheNextBench.com, and welcome to my car. What I'm tooling around with right now is the HP f210 Car Camcorder. And it's got built-in GPS, records 1080p video, and obviously it's got a window mount so you can like mount it somewhere and, you know, record some shots. So I figured, I live in Northern California, might as well appreciate the view near the Golden Gate Bridge and the Marin Headlands. So let's give this a quick shot, shall we? Oh, and by the way, I am not going to be playing any music on this. It's going to be a bit of a quiet ride, because, quite frankly, I don't want to pay licensing fees. So, put on your own soundtrack and feel free to enjoy the ride. And don't critique my driving, please. I'm very sensitive about that. Maybe I should give tours this way or something. Well, there you have it. Quick drive through the Marin Headlands. Hope you enjoyed the ride. All right, everybody out.